I was extremely disappointed at how this handbag came packaged. Hi friends, welcome back to another video. I am actually off today from work. I took a personal day. I just needed to get some things done. I got back from a facial. That's why you see that there is no makeup. But then again, our vlogs pretty much are just very chill, very relaxed. I feel like I need to bring you guys a little bit closer. So I just got ready to work out, but before I started that, I wanted to share with you guys kind of like the things that I ordered for Black Friday. I have to say Black Friday was pretty good to me. There were a few websites that had some decent deals. There were other websites where I was just like, really, you have that like every other week? So I ordered a few things. Specifically, I ordered some workout clothes. I went to Old Navy, which I shared on my Instagram. I tried on some high-waisted, wide leg jeans that I had been eyeing. I actually wanted a pair from Levi's, but I'm still in like my weight loss process. So I have gone down a few pounds. Therefore, my current jeans are already kind of fitting a little bit loose, but I didn't want to splurge on a Levi pair, and my size was not available anyways during the Black Friday sale. So I'm glad I found the Old Navy ones because I really do enjoy Old Navy jeans. I also ordered a few workout pieces just because I have a few leggings that just need to be put to rest, honestly. And then I wanted to get some cute like little tank tops. So Old Navy I think had like 50% off site wide. Let me get comfy. Also, please excuse my hair. It's currently in like a hair mask, which it definitely needs, and I just have it picked up. You can see all my little kind of loose curls at the bottom. But yeah, I also ordered some workout gear. I kind of wanted to switch out my poor little tank tops too that, again, have been with me for quite some time. I'm super into the working out lately, and I feel like when you have a nice kind of like new outfit to put on when you're working out, it kind of like motivates you a little bit more. Let me know if you feel the same way. I also ordered a few things from H&M, again, some jeans. So I definitely went like the affordable route for jeans, but I went to like jeans that I've already tried before that I really liked. And then we do have a trip to Mexico coming up. We're visiting Mexico City, which we've already been before. So we've done a lot of like the touristy things, but now we just want to go back for a couple of days and really just explore the cuisine. Mexican food, I have to say, between Italian and Mexican, those are like my top two favorites. So my top one, there's two options. And then I think it has to be probably like Mediterranean food. Ooh, so yummy. Like Mediterranean, Greek, Arabic, kind of like within that kind of cuisine. So I'm super excited to be able to go back to Mexico City. It's gonna be a very chill trip. But we're just excited to also explore new restaurants that we have been eyeing. We're gonna go to like little hole in the wall taco stands because I feel like when you go to Mexico, that's a must. But we're also trying some like nicer high-end places as well. So looking forward to that. Point is that I wanted to order a few pieces in order to build my little travel wardrobe for Mexico. However, with all that being said, I have two handbags that I want to share with you. One is for my mom, one is for me. But my mom was like, have you opened it? Have you seen the color? And I'm like, no, I thought like you would want to open it. She's like, no, open it and send me pictures. She's actually going on a trip in the next couple of days, so she's not going to be home. So she's like, I want to see it before I leave. So I want to open that and send it over to her. And then I ordered another little handbag that I kind of wanted to have in my collection for specific occasions. Let me bring that into first. I was going to share some skincare, but I'm sure you guys prefer the handbag. One moment. Okay, so here's what we have. Now, I will say I was extremely disappointed at how this handbag came packaged. So the handbag that's for me is from Coach. So it is from Coach, and honestly, I've ordered bags from Coach before, and at least they come in a box. Maybe it doesn't come like within a box wrapped inside of that box, but it comes in a box and then there's some wrapping paper around it. I do have to say this is from the Coach outlet. I don't remember when was the last time I ordered from the Coach outlet, to be honest. So maybe that's a new thing, but I'm gonna pop up a picture of how this came delivered. that when I was online checking like the delivery status of it, because it said it was gonna arrive yesterday and it said delivered, I had already brought in the package, but I'm like, there's no way that like the bag is in there. It wasn't there, you guys. I was taken aback, honestly. I mean, it's perfectly wrapped, as you can see. I don't think it would have gotten damaged, but it was just this and then that packaging. So if they would have thrown things over top, I feel like it could have potentially, you know, damaged the bag. So those were just my packaging 2 cents. But yes, Coach Outlet was running a huge sale. I think they had 25% off on top of, you know, anything that was already discounted. As I said in my previous video, I actually ended up selling my Aria belt bag, the one in the dragon embossed, just because I really just wasn't grabbing that bag. I felt like I was gonna get along with the dragon embossed and I felt like I wanted a piece in that material, but we just didn't click. However, with that being said, I do want to have like a night out black bag. In my personal opinion, I think a night out black bag can be a clutch, with which a lot of people tend to automatically think about that when they're picking out like a formal night out bag. But I also love a good top handle. You guys know that. I love my top handle handbags. I feel like a top handle is just so cute, so feminine in a handbag. So when I saw this one at the price, I think it was under $150, I still really enjoy some Coach pieces. I think that they do leather pieces really, really nicely. So I saw this one. I actually reached out to one of you girls over on Instagram because I know that you had just ordered one and you had nothing but amazing things to say. So I went ahead and ordered it. So here's the packaging. It came in all this kind of like, I don't even know what this is called, but oh my gosh. I don't know. I kind of wanted to not love it because I shouldn't be buying any more bags, but I kind of love it. Okay. Oh my gosh, the size is so cute. Okay, so let's see, because I mean, I definitely hope that I am going to keep it, but I don't want to like damage anything. Okay, so let me go ahead and unwrap a little bit of the stuff and then we'll be back in a moment. Hold.
5 minutes later.
You guys, I'm obsessed. She's definitely staying. So let's go ahead and open her up, because let me show you. Actually, May, get yourself together, please. So let me show you first before I completely just remove everything. Let me put this down. I actually thought, so this is the Eliza Mini, and I loved the fact that it was just such a really like monochromatic look to the handbag. So I think that this is just such a cute little bag for like dinner out, or maybe not like a full-on kind of formal type of event. I feel like for something like that, you would definitely lean towards like a very sleek kind of clutch, even a statement clutch for that matter, that you would get like in Zara or something, just to add like a finishing touch to the look. But for what I ultimately wanted it, it's perfect. I don't know if you guys can see it, but like the whole monochromatic kind of, you know, little plaque that it has here. They do have other Eliza pieces where this is actually in gold. And I have my Bastille bag, which I have shared that I really like this feature here. However, I think it's a little bit more like on the casual side. I feel like for something that you want that's going to be, you know, very sleek, very easy to incorporate with maybe a cocktail dress or a nice like pantsuit or something like that, I want something simple like this. She's so cute. She is so stinking cute. So it does come in various colors. I was extremely tempted to get it in the maple color, which is honestly one of my favorite colors that's like super in for the season. But I already have enough like brown bags. I have my Clio Bella, I have my Numero 10, and then I also have my Speedy in the Dame Urbaine, which I feel is a brown bag, honestly. So I was like, okay, no, focus. What is it that you really need? What is it that you can like fill a void in your handbag collection? Guys, she's so cute. And the smell of the leather, So good. It's definitely there. Like, I was unpacking her and it kind of like hit me. Again, I really like that it's very monochromatic. You can see that the hardware is kind of like in this gunmetal sort of gray, which I honestly really prefer because again, it stays with that monochromatic tone. She does have a little back pocket on the back. I don't think my phone will fit there. I'm honestly not even gonna try it because I feel like it's actually gonna just stretch out the leather, and it's not. Let me see if the phone fits inside. I think with the one of you that I did chat over in Instagram, Diane, you did mention that it didn't fit. So here's the interior lining. It is like this really soft felt lining. Like in the website it looked cute, but she's so much cuter in person. Very comfortable to open her up and get into. Just wanted to see here on the sides. Okay, so moment of truth. Yeah, definitely not happening. So iPhone 15 Pro Max, not getting in there. Honestly, it doesn't bother me. I'm usually with my phone in my hand anyways. I am honestly obsessed. I really like that it also comes with a crossbody strap, because if I am wearing a kind of casual look and I'm going out during the day, it's one that I can go ahead and grab. So let me go ahead and put on the crossbody and share with you guys how it looks. I feel like this is the most random, all over the place handbag unboxing. Okay, so I just left it at exactly how she comes. Let me back you guys up. You see, so even as like a cute little crossbody, she looks so good. Like if you're out and about during the day. Oh, she does have like a little key tag. I'll probably be removing this, but how cute is this? It has like the little Coach little key tag. So adorable. Yeah, I just think that that gives it more of a casual look. But yeah, she even fits in the crook of the arm, which is something that I really, really prefer. Ooh, something else that I do want to mention, which you guys know that I always kind of like point out in regards to handbag brands. And this is what I mean. Like, you spend thousands and thousands of dollars on some pieces and you're like, how did you not think this through? And then $150 and they've hit like every little checkbox. So I've mentioned before that with crossbody options, I love when they add the additional D-ring in order for you to hook the crossbody here and have the top handle on a separate D-ring. Because if you were to hook it on the same D-ring, what could ultimately happen is that the hardware from the crossbody strap is going to be rubbing on that leather, and it's definitely going to cause wear long term. She has feet. She has feet. I'm just coming across things as I'm looking at her with you guys. The stitching is like impeccable, really, really nice. I'm pleasantly surprised. I'm so excited because I think she'll be a great little addition for me to take to Mexico. I think I talked about it in another video, but I want to try to lean away from taking any like handbags with logos or anything like that. I just want to go with, you know, just casual laid back kind of styles. And she is the cutest little thing ever. I love her. So we have a winner. This is the first one from the whole Black Friday kind of unboxing. And then here we have the second one. So as I said, this one is, you guys, my chair. I laughed the other day because I put a picture in regards to my chair and I had like the Longchamp and the Birkin next to one another and the chair was super clean. There was like no mess. And Marie here, she watches my videos and she follows me on Instagram. I follow her too. And she's like, all I can think about was how neat your chair looked. I wasn't even focused at the picture and she had me laughing. Well, Marie, I'm proud to say that my chair is looking a hot mess right now. I'll go ahead and insert a clip for you. I shared with you guys that I did end up ordering the Horse Mini Clementine in the beautiful cream color. I love this color. It's so nice. I felt like I was missing a color like this in my collection, and even though I didn't want like a very large handbag, I felt like this one was just appropriate in order to wear, you know, for like going out and things like that. So I shared with my mom that I had found kind of like this new brand and that they had these new handbags. She's like, oh my God, send me the website. I want to look through them. So she started looking through them and then she ultimately wanted one in the regular size. But I told her, let's wait it out because I think that they're going to have a sale for Black Friday. She's like, okay, perfect. And I think like all the colors were sold out at that moment anyways. So I was like, let's just wait it out. Lord and behold, they did exactly that. They had a Black Friday sale. Some of the pieces were up to 30% off. This is the same kind of like little care card that comes with your orders. And then here's just how the bag came, just to share with you guys. So again, it comes in a box, and then you just have the horse dust bag and bag there. And I want to reveal to you my mom's new bag. Oh my gosh. Okay, she's wrapped up, so give me a minute. She opted for, oh my god, the color's so good. The chocolate brown. I think the color is coffee something. Oh my gosh. It blows my mind that these people can make these handbags and literally sell them for under $200. The leather on these, the horse bags, you guys, I do want to smell it because that was something that I noticed, not that I noticed, but that I got commented on when I talked about the horse, and that I also smelled on mine. It doesn't have like a yummy leather smell, but I'm not getting that chemically smell that some people mentioned that theirs had. So I don't know if maybe it depends, like, you know, how often they make the handbag. Also, it is the coffee leather. You guys, the color's so good. I don't want to, you know, I want to try to keep it as good as possible because obviously I want to make sure that my mom gets to play with it, you know, more than me since it is hers. But the color is absolutely stunning. So the last thing that I wanted to share with you in this portion of the Black Friday haul is some skincare that I ordered. So I have tried a few products from Naturium, and from what I read and kind of like the little bit of research that I did, her products are very kind of like acne friendly. So I went ahead and added the multi-peptide rich cream. I want to have a more like rich moisturizing cream for night times, especially since I do apply tretinoid one night yes, one night no. So I feel like with a deeper sort of like richer moisturizer, it'll kind of absorb a little bit better and my skin won't be too dry. So that definitely looks very, very rich. Look at that. I love, like, does anybody else enjoy opening like new creams and like new skincare products? I have like a crazy obsession with that. But second, this is actually a repurchase. I had bought my original one in Target, and it is the multi-peptide eye cream. I've really liked it. I honestly feel like it gives a lot of hydration underneath my eyes. So I was running out, and since they had 25% off, I thought I would stock up. And then of course, being the lip junkie that I am, I have one that I ordered from them. Their lip balms in like a brown color. And I don't know why I didn't really like the consistency, but so many people love this product. So I was like, okay, maybe I just got a bad one. Like, I know that happened to my sister-in-law with her Rhode lip balm, and I love the Rhode lip balms. So I had to reorder it. Again, it was 25% off, so I think it was under $10. So I got this really cute, like, little cherry color. Let's see what it looks like. I love the applicator. Can you guys see? Every time I do this, I feel like I'm 15 years old. But yes, I love the applicator of this one. So let's see. And what I do like, which I did get from the other one, the color payoff is really nice too. That's kind of why I wanted it to work, honestly. That's one thing. My Laneige are super hydrating, but the color payoff is horrible. Okay, so it's a little bit of like a pinky reddish lip. I like it. I'm going to keep it on now till I work out, and then I'll keep you guys updated, give you a little bit of a review. I think this video has been extremely long with everything else that I wanted to add to it. So I'm going to see if I'm going to continue it or if I'm just going to end it here and then just kind of share a bag unboxing with you guys. But if not, I'll catch you later.